know you. You're my mechanic, Junior.
Break, ride, Junior.
Break, ride.
Don't you remember? Your ape-like incompetence drove my father insane.
Break, ride.
Extremely high voltage. Well, I don't need safety gloves because I'm Homer Simpson.